Pre-primary rhyme teachers training center gi thoramasida yawleng birakliba mayam punamakpu taramna okchari sinjalangzariba glories of consultancy gi mahut sinjaraga arun blana taramna okchari ngasigi asugumlaba thoramasi kuigi cultural program na hogdok chagani ahanboina rhymes performance bibi gadaba kuigi training sing stage telengkhat perna bagidama nolokchari trainee performer Saloni Nandita Sahani Seria Salma Sahani Uyokta Muito Vicente Amrin Nazia Savera MKBB Hariba Kuigi trainee Taramato stage telengkhat perklaga rhymes performance to bina bagidama nolokchari Hello. Masigi hek matung da rongmai cultural dance perform to bina ba kuigi mahiroi sing kuigi trainee sing sem saduna lebina ba nolokchari Mayam ahubu kuba magaloin na taram na okpinaba nolokchari
Nang isida lotami nang isida layami fumni marak asida nang inayum oiduna layba sibunu ngayo layu sangayo layu sangayo nungay na bulay rambu nauraha naupuratke nauraha nauheklatke
Thagachari mathangda rongmai cultural dance khudol tambigadava trainee sing stage ta koksinjari gaigilu kangmai sanalu kangmai kanthailu kangmai munsaina gangle golmai dungpulu panmai jaujaliu ikai khumnajari bi khogi trainee taruk stage ta lengkhat piraklaga rongmai cultural dance perform to binaba nolokchari Masigi hek matung da thogol jagoi khudol tambina bagidama sem saduna leibinaba nolokchari Thagachari Rongmai cultural dance performed to Viramba Kegi training sing Mathangda Langsin Biraknavan Kaushinjari Taugal Zagoi Kudol Tambikadavi Ronita Surbala Tina Lanchenbi Santalembi Zenis Renila Toibi Taugal Zagoi Kudol Tambikadavi training sing stays the Kaushinjari. Masigi heg mathang da Rongmai Khayo dance kudol tambina bagidamak sem saduna laibinaba nolukchari. Taugal Zagoi ki mathang da Rongmai Khayo dance kudol tambina bagidamak Gaigilu Kamai Sanalu Kangmai Konthaliu Kangmai Munsaina Golmai Jungzaliu Kamai Dongpiliu Panmai Thanbiliu Panmai Uyokta Muidang Maring Hairbasing Asina Taugal Zagoi ki hek matungda Khayo dance kudol tampikataba Rongmai gi training singni Hazik meamang deleng thuk pirkadoriba si Taugal Zagoi training singi ming Ronita Surbala Tina Lanchenbi Santalembi Zenis Renila Toibi kugi training sing angtang kugi kudol tampina nabagita maste seleng thuk pirak naba nolukchari. Ekhugi ngasigi cultural program kudol tambigadaba Taugal Zagoi kudol tambigadaba isilnaw sing yaragade thubo matamda stage teleng thok piraglaga makha tarak pathoramasi mai pakna sathava yananaba sinbada achoba thodang lobiu haidana sinjalangjuri ba Glory Job Consultancy gi mai kaidagi nolukchari ikai khumnajuri bi khogi Taugal Zagoi kudol tambigadabi Ronita Surbala Tina Lanchenbi Santalembi Janice Renila stays the length of Pirnava Nolukchari. थौगल जगोई की हेक मथंगदा सेम सादुना लेबियु रोंगमई खायो डांस खोदोल तंबिगदबी खुगी ट्रेनिंग सिंग हौजिक म्यामांग द लेंथोकपेरकदोरिबसी थौगल जगोइनी म्यामना खुगी इकाई खुनेजरिबी ट्रेनिंग सिंग असिबु अहोबो कोबामगलोइना तारामनो पिनाबा नलुकजोरी
हेलो जी
हेलो
vương mọi khi tam hủy sao bị mà trời bom vì chính nung ghé chân nó lúc tu đời đi bói bị đời lù đi năm đang ngoài kia nữ mà tâm nhị năm đang ngoài kia nữ tan cho nhị ô năm nữ chính nhỏ nữ thằng lăng pa tâm ya cô đi nữ sẽ là pa ô mà nữ lâm đi nữ mà tai mà qua cái nông xí nó mi qua cái nông xí nó mi hồ mà lăng nơ li nơ có hôm bờ ta sinh lo là nơ đờ hôm lơ ca hồ sơ đu yang li nơ ít khai khai khao rong phong nơ hôm nơ ca khao rong phong nơ hôm nơ ca hồ thara ki man no nơ ít khai khai mà tận tận cho nợ chi đờ ô ni ô lơ lê nợ sa rơ gi ô ni ô lơ lê nợ sa rơ gi siêu đi lấy on nợ ô lấy on nợ quân ta khi vơ mà phẩm nị lấy ta khi vơ mà phẩm nị siêu thôi nó hả rau siêu đi thôi nó nung ai vơ lấy vơ rau lấy vơ nị lấy vơ rau lấy vơ nị hầu ha hay on là si hầu ha hay on là si hay răng khui nị cho nó hay nị siêu thôi nó hậu vậy đi chân năm hay nị hay răng khui nị cho nó hay nị siêu thôi nó hậu vậy đi chân năm hay nị xin lắm thằng chính nó ngọc lì vơ lối ăn nó cũng đâm bơ quang bên nó cũng khai vơ phao quay lại đi mẹ nó lấy vơ nó phao quay lại đi mẹ nó lấy vơ nó I want a fun later nung ngày mà ra nó hậu đi ta nung ngày mà ra nó cay đi bờ mình phơi sân nó cũng may rồi cưng lấy sân nó cũng may rồi hầu ha hay on a cedar hầu ha hay on a cedar isong na lang ya thil phước chính na ya parang chinh phu lấy ngô phôi lâm nêu cho phật tử ôm đi lấy phù chi nghe lư từ kim ẩn đôi đi lấy rong thăng bòn mòn đi đủ lấy nơi lấy nó
Thagachari Thogol Jagoi Khudol Tambikhibi Khoi training sing loina na takpi tambikhiba dancing su hanana thaka phongdokchari mathangda aruibo ina khoi cultural program asigi makha tarakpada horen ikai khamisari mayam barol thambiraba matung dasu nungairaba jagoi sing mayam leiri ado hojik pawbugi oina cultural program ge aruibo ina kausinjari rongmai khayo dance khudol tambigadabi gaiglu kangmai sanalu kangmai konthailu kangmai musaina bolmai dozanlu kangmai dupanglu panmai thandilu panmai uyokta muitang maring haribi khogi kai khunajari bi training sing ase stage ta thuba matamda lengthok pek laga myamangda rongmai khayo dance khudol tambina bagitamba golok kari myamna khogi kai khunajari bi training sing ase bo hob khuba mak loina na taram no piu Thagachari rongmai khayo dance khudol tambirambi training sing mayam punamakpu amukahana taramna okchari Glory Job Consultancy haiba khoigi job consultancy center ase English singaniga taraga taruktage hogdokchakhi masigi makhada Glory Pre-Primary Rhymes Thesis Training Center ase English singaniga kungamari da khoigi mahai roi yankhai hena ming chalaktuna first batch oina hogdok chakibane mathangda second batch oina 2025 ta mi yankhai ga taruk 56 plus amuk training pijaki third batch oina lakliba jun gi tang taruk tagi koigi jun gi tang tara taruk ki matung dagi amuk hojagani masida koigi first 15 candidate koigi hojik thokliba irang asina maram oraga Glory Pre-Primary Rhymes Thesis Training Center na koigi khudong chaba pijaba oina first 15 candidate ta 6 months koigi course oina lariba tha tarugusigi khudong chaba 6000 da pijagani makha tarapada desigi matung da lakpadu di 8000 lowi normally adubo han ba 15 candidate to koigi housing lariba irang asina maram oraga khudong chaba pijabane kanagumba tambining ba yarabasu Glory Job Consultancy new seconda contact obiu aduga koigi contact number 6009966762 natraga 8119953990 IQG WhatsApp group ase 50,000 above hena member laikraba dugumlaba group amane kanagumba koigi group asida join to winning balaragasu 9615685666 ta message text message amathabiraga aduma khoigi auto message amalakane aduga link to the sangaga aduma join to boyai masidi khoina WhatsApp group se kai gi haijarami bano haibagi maramda khoigi masi group se da yaroga de matam gi private ki government ki and central government ki job aduga admission notice exam result scholarship notice amadi evening morning gi news PDF ta loina mak update phange aduga Glory Job Consultancy ki Facebook page tasu aduma koigi 60k above follower like rabane masidasu mayamna like follow to biraga koigi hozik mayamna fangbiriba kana badu aduma pulaf phanglagane mafam sida koigi ayamba khuda ki oiba e paw loinana koigi government ki oiba thabak sing private ki oiragasu adagi exam result admission notice scholarship notice aduga morning evening news kudimak loinama khoigi hariba glory job consultancy hariba whatsapp group sida fangani aduga khoigi whatsapp group sida yawbining basing amuka hana khoigi number adu khoigi text message thana ba number adu ningsing jage 9615685666 hariba number sida text message ama thabiraga adumak link ama lakani dudada join tawbigadabane ngasigi khoigi thauramasi lengbirakli ba mayam punama putaramna okchobugal loinana khoigi ngasigi live te yengbiriba khoigi tv channel sing the live te yengbiriba mayam punamaksu glory job consultancy ki maikai dagi taramna okchori mayam punamakusu thagatba fongdokchori haji khoigi ngasigi thauramasi makatarakba ikai khumnujurbi mayam punamakpu dais the lengsinana bagi tanjadu logjage ahan boina Waisu Sandra Singh retired IAS ex MLA Kakching Ikai Khumnajori Babu stage the Lenkat Piraknaba Nolukchori Ikai Khumnajori Basi housing Fobugi Wina Koigi Mafam Sida Yokri Lambi the Laire Haiduna Takpirakli Matanga Nasiki Toromasibu Mapung Fahandaba Yade Haiduna Lang Birakli Ba Ikai Khumnajori Ba Danabi Lightrum social scientist Ikai Khumnajori Babu Nasigi Dice the Lenkat Piraktuna Sabhagi Lighting Oibina Bagitama Noluna Kausinjari Mayampuna Maktiga Hobukubam Tangnizari Kagi stabang tang assist to bina manolok jori. Ikai khumnajori basingna stage the lengkat prapamatamda glories of consultancy ki stabang tang assist to viragadi hena fajagani haduna khanje ikai khumnajori bam tang thokpirak laga assist to bina manolok jori. Mathang da ikai khumnajori bi takhelambam promotioni debi lecturer TZ Higher Secondary School busu ngasigi thoromasigi dice the lengsin birakna bigidamak nolugna kausin jari. Mathangda ngasigi thoromasibu hena mapung pahandaba yade haiduna lengbiraklibi Dr. Khulakpam Rukaya Assistant Professor Department of Political Science Lilong Haurebi College Manipur University busu ngasigi thoromasigi dice the lengkhat pirakna bagidabak nolokna koksinjari thagachori Mathangda Engineer S. Thoiba, Managing Director, Kanglei Construction and Peace Hospital, Mentor, Glory, Pre-Primary Rhymes Thesis Training Center, Ikai Khumnajori Babsu, Ngasigi Thoromasigi Ningthi Thoiraba Fambak the Lenkat Piraktuna, Sabhagi Lighting, Oibina Bagitamak, Nologna Koksinjari. Mathangda ngasigi thoromasigi dice the lengsin binabagidamak Grace Zazo Senior Consultant Relief and Disaster Management Government of Manipur busu ngasigi thoromasigi dice the lengkhat piranabagidamak nologna koksinjari Ikai khumnajari basingna stage the lengkhat pirkhabar matungda taramna okchoboina lengyan khudol tambinabagidamak Koigi training mari stage the koksinjari MKBB koigi lengyan khudol tambina ba puthok pirak na bagidamak Nisudara Amrin Nisa Anamika aduga lengyan khudol tambina na bagidamak ikai khumnajari B coordinator RK Tampasna stage the koksinjari ikai khumnajari ba dice members singasibu lengyan khudol tambina bagidamak coordinator RK Tampasna stage the koksinjari Ikai khumnajari vising koigi lengyan khudol tambiri koigi coordinator RK Tampasna ikai khumnajari bi memna koigi ngasigi thoromasigi dice member sing lengyan khudol tambiri Thank you once again Mathangda koigi yai faraba pungpham asida ngasigi thauram gi maira sukat pinana bagidamak ikai khumnajari ba dice member sing da hangachari candle arrangement obinana bagidamak Nimrangliu Khamaliu bo stage the koksinjari koigi trainee anina ngasigi candle lighting asigi arrangement tawinapgidamak stage ta kokshinjari ngasigi yai faraba pungpham asida thawram gi maira sukhatpinan bagidamakta ikai khumnajariba dice member singda hangachari ikai khumnajariba ngasigi tharam asigi athoiba oina lengsin biriba ikai khumnajariba dhanabi laishram social scientist takhelambam promosini devi lecturer TZ higher secondary school Dr. Khulakpam Rukaya assistant professor department of political science Long Haurabi College, Manipur University, Engineer S. Thoiba, Managing Director, Kanglei Construction and Peace Hospital, Grace Zazo, Senior Consultant, Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur, Ikai Khumnajariba Singna, Yai Faraba Pungpham asida, Thawram ki maira sukhat pinan bagitamak nolukna hangachari. Ngasi sukhaliba maira sina Glory Job Consultancy loinana Glory Pre-Primary Rhymes Teachers Training Center na tawjaruba thabak thoram khudingmakta hena mai pakpa ohisi haidana isorgi mafamda mayam punna thauninginasi amakahana mayam punamapu thagachari Mayam Punamakpu, Taramna Okpuki Warol, welcome address Tambiranabkitamak, faculty member, Glory Pre-Primary Teachers Training Center Gi, Sir Herojit Filembo stays the Kokshinjari. Ikai Kumnajariba Sir Herojit Filem stays the Lenkat Piraktuna, Mayam Punamakpu, Taramna Okpuki Warol, welcome address Tambiranabkitamak, Nologna, Kokshinjari.
My greetings to all, honorable president members, dedicated faculty, dear parents, and my dear beloved trainees. It is my great privilege and heartfelt pleasure to welcome you all to the Convocation Day of our Pre-Primary Teachers Training Center. Today marks a very special occasion in our calendar, a day of celebration, achievement, and new beginnings. We have gathered here not only to honor the hard work and dedication of our trainees, but also to recognize the collective efforts of the family, faculty, and supporters who have guided them on their journey. I extend a warm and respectful welcome to our Presidium members, whose presence today is a source of great encouragement and inspiration for all of us. We are truly honored by your acceptance of our invitation. I also warmly welcome our respected management committee who have played a vital role in shaping the growth and development of our trainees. To our parents and families, thank you for trusting us with the responsibility of training your beloved ones. Your faith and support have been the backbone of their success. And most importantly, a special welcome to our dear trainees, the stars of today's ceremony. This is your day, a day to reflect on your journey, to celebrate your achievement, and to look ahead with confidence and hope. Let us now begin this celebration with pride in our heart and joy in our spirit. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Herozit Philam, faculty member, Glory Pre-Primary Teachers Training Center, for your warm welcome address. Ikai khumnajuri bana mayam punamapu taramna okpuki warol thambirambagidama khanhana thakachari mathangda keynote address bibiranabagidama ngasi pangthokliba thauramasigi matangda warol thambinabagidama RK Tampasna Coordinator, Glory Pre-Primary Teachers Training Center, Madam Stage Kokshinjari.
Good morning, everyone, respected Presidium members, faculty members, proud parents, and our dear graduating trainees. Aikhoigi pre-primary teachers training ki convocation ceremony da tinbiri ba pumna makpu taramna okpada aihakna yamna nungaiba amasung ikai khumnajari. Numit asi chatnabagi oiba thoram ama khakta maknate masi mai pakpa kathokpagi thoram amani. Amasung aikhoigi nuksiraba tamliba singi damakta anauba haurakpham amani. Masigi ikai khumna ningai oiba mikup asi unaba ngasi mafam asida lakpagi damak aihakna mipum khudingmakpu thagatpa phongdokjari. Maru oiba ikai khumnaraba miyoising, ojasing, mama mapasing amasung tamliba singbu taramna okjari. Angang amagi chaukhatpada pre-primary education na lauriba maru oiba thodang aduda akan mamit yeng thambiu khudam oina laibagi matangda anganba matamgi angang oiringaigi oja singna tunggi mirol singbu karamna sengatlibagi ngasi aikhoina tambikhiba sing aduna lausing haisingba amasung thajaba karamna chaukhalakhibage haibadu khandabiraga classroom da tamba practical section sing amasung internship sing ningsingbaraga ithau masak khangna tawbiu angang adugi ahanba mahai masing tambiba oibagi thodang adu khanbi khangbiu khangba ngamba nungsiba heithoi singthoiba amasung minungsi chenba ngambagi wakhalgi magun sing ngakna chapiu. Dear graduates sing, aihakna nakhoibu yamna maru oiba ama ningsingba pami. Khongchat amagi khongchat. Oja haibasi learner amani aduna tambagi loiba naide tamba asi punchi chuppagi thawong amani. Malem asi honglakpaga loinana aikhoigi apamba singsu honglai aduna update tawduna leibiu makha tana tambiu masi anauba tambibagi thawong sing digital tools sing classroom management natraga inclusive education oirabasu pabiu yengbiu reflect tawbiu amasung chaukhat pirau Athoiba oja singna masamak mahairoi amagumna kaidongaidasu thigatpa lepiganu. Makha chatharingaida matam pumnamakta ningsingbiu nahakna pubiriba value sing adu nahakna piriba lausing adugumna maru oiba oigani. Nungsibaga loinana takpiu angang khudingmakpu chekshinna yengbiu pukning thogatpiu amasung ithil pibiu. Nahakna nahakki thabaki safu adu kaidongaidasu mapung phana khangba ngamdaba yai adubu sahi kayagi matungda angang amana nahakki nokpa nahakki wanga wahaising nahakki minungsi adu ningsingani madudi oza amagi asengba lanthumni Graduate singbu mai paklaba wahan thok leiba sinpham ama oijaba oibiu mahai masing tambibagi lamda makhoigi afaba ithil asa phongdokpiu Hairiba wafamsing asi mapung phana semdok semjin tauraba wangang amada onthokpada natraga hiram natraga wahi pareng ama hapchinbada nahakna mateng pangba ngamgadabani. Congratulations once again, and may your journey ahead be filled with success, fulfillment, and continued learning. Thank you all, and warm wishes to our dear graduates. Thank you.
Thank you, R.K. Tampasna, Coordinator, Glory Pre-Primary Teachers Training Center na mayam punamakta keynote address fazana thambirambagi dama tasengna ojama oina chelhaning bagul aduga ojama oina tahoning bathabak thorong kya sugaina thambirambagi dama hana thagachari ikai khumnajari bi medam asigi dama mayam dagi hobo khubam tangni jari. Thank you. Mathangda khuiging asigi thorom asigi Ikai kumjari badai stelengsin biriba mayam dagi ahanbo ina warol thambina nabagidamak takhelambam promotioni debi lecturer TZ Higher Secondary School ikai kumjari bi madam dagi warol khara tamina nabagitanja du lominasi mayam na hobu khobama galoina na madam bu taram na upiu takhelambam promotioni debi lecturer TZ Higher Secondary School.
A very good afternoon to one and all. A special greetings to the Presidium members, and truly I am honored to be invited here and be a part of the Presidium members. I don't know what to say as like kari wahai thamgadabano haibadi khangde, but still I want to lay some messages to you. First, I would like to congratulate all the graduates who have been successfully passed this pre-primary or pre-rhymes training course. Congratulations to you all. But what I would like to say is be micro-ambitious. Hariba course asi tambaloire haiduna ekoina heta journey lepigano. Hena ahenba aikoigi tanbayaba teaching professions da kari lege haibado yengbiraga dedications hard work lepigano. Aikoi now before I came here I was thinking what I will say, but when I see these trainees they look all beautiful, they look very gracious. Mamingas institute ki mamingas siga chanana dumwi. So I feel like I don't have any words but to give comments to you. Aikoina aisu ima mama ama oina aigi isa sing preschool pre-primary school sing tharakpa matamda moina mokhoi oja sing na tauriba maung makhoina oja sing na makhoida pirakpa nungshiba trust moimna khoida adum tamme. So the attitude towards your profession akoigi teaching profession si daida aikoina leigadaba se akoigi attitude to adu daida loina depend tawi the passion we have, the love and trust we have towards our students. Akoi adugi essence to neba akoina leigadaba se akoina angang da piriba nungshiba angang da phamiba thajaba aduga chap manana when they give us love and trust madu akoina thugaiba sumya yararoi. Adukhoisu stay yaubiriba parents sing stay yauriba guardians sing adum khangbiramgani oja sing na takpirakpa makhoida tambirakpa sing langera chumgera akoina semdokpa suya yade sumgai akoigi moida adum oja sing gi trust cybersity adum leira dawani. And when we talk about preschool or pre-primary teaching stage sidi yamna luba stage amani aina haidbagi maramdi mamagi tampakta leiramba angang singdo directly ozadu da sina doine aduna mama mapa sings na same love and trust and affection ozadu dagi akoina expectation torakani. Huzikan gi angang singdi diamond gem dagi hele mama mapa na luna torakan da mayum da thamba heart safe awa ana kaim ta thengna Khangamdana lakpa macha singdo oja singna handle taubiga dobani. Adagi oja singi height of tolerance, height of perseverance, asi akoina angak phangna salute tawjaga dawribani aduna mama mapa singna expectations to oza singna piba ngamba oiragadi oza singi ngasai perseverance khangba ngambagi degree dudi akoina salute tawdaba ngamoy aduna sigi course se pass tawraba sing true in the true sense of the term ngasagi anga sida lairiba angang sing students sing bu pazana handle tobiba ngamba oza sing dudi I will definitely say you all will be a very good wife a very good mother in the future long bidriba sing di ngasagi akoina adum maming matha khangjan biba yare adum moidi they will be a very good wife and in the like akoi housing society da darkar oiriba si aseng ba ima haibado aduni akoi gi lairiba akoi gi ima leibak sibu tasengna nungshiba ngamba tasengna akoi gi ihul sibu khangba ngamba mama nupi darkar yamna oi aduna ngasigi lairiba course asigi mateng ama oina whatever love whatever trust you are going to implant in the mind of the students madu yamna maru oiga dawribani aduna what the society needs today haibado ngasigi oza singdegi akoina values ma'am do adu akoina phangani haina thajajai and lastly but not the least I would like to congratulate every one of you and I would like to wish you everlasting success in the future to come. Thank you so much once again for inviting me.
Thagachori kai khumnezaribe Lecturer TZ Higher Secondary School Takhelambam Promosini Devi Madam na Fajrba Warul Luinana Ojamo ina chelhaning bagul kya thambiram bagidama khanana thagarba fongdokchari ozagi chillaba matam kaithokpiduna miyamgi sigumloba thoromasida sarugya bibagidama su hanana thagarba fongdokchari tasengnamaksu oja habasi khwaidagi awangba senfamne Ozana talakpada koi mama mapana ga semdo ubuya ozante angang singse akoi ozana dumai talakte ta haiduini haibudum yarong gani ko dum thengna koi ozana dumai haide ka dum haibene do akhangba ma da takpududi yamna lai koina aduga khangdriba kaimta nil knowledge ta poglakliba koi ge kaim khangdriba na angang se da takpudune ba khwaidagi hena luduise aduna koi rhyme teachers training tobiriba koi ga ja singsu yamna choba responsibility ne koktak ta hapiriba se tungi punsida su hena hena apaba Noina takpidana achobo mi oiba ngambasu oisno makha tarakpada kausinjari kai khumnajari ba khoi khwaina ikai khumnajuna respect tawjari ba sir Danabir Laishram social scientist ikai khumnajari ba sidagi warol taminasi mayam punamakna ahobu khoba magaloina na taramna su okpiri
mayam khurumjari ngasigi ahanba First Convocation Day, Glory Pre-Primary Rhymes Teachers Training Center gi Sugumba Maru Karba Convocation Sida May President Members of Viriba Why Surchandra Day Liangtre Hojikta Mayami Pamda Warol Kratambigiba Uza Takhelambam Promotion Devi Yampasan Tambira Muzaze TGG Lectures Ni Kai Kumujari Loinana Dr. Khulakpam Rukia, Department of Political Science, Lilong Horibi, Koimeti Pangal Merakta, Yamatwibi, Ozani, Zaziam Sang Kanazari, Aduga now Toiba, Managing Director, Kai Kumnazari, Aduga Kwaidi Maruina, Senior Consultant, Relevant Disaster Management, Mem Grace Zazo, Kai Kumnazari, Loinan Ozat Singh, Aduga family. Lingbi Riva Duga non-teaching staff Punamaikai Kunajari Convocation Z to sing body Hugi Greek key Yamaroina Hugi Punna Punna Unasi Duga Magi award Kasipina Baduni. Can you the induction guy in Torina Fasiagal or Kanago Yamarua Toromani The Masida Loina Baksaruk Yaba Kujiao Pangjabaze Kuju Ozawa is a Punin Yamnungai Kupunjida Convocation in Mani Manga Yaur Krabanina Yamnung Siva playing a sick long of Sembasico Aduna Punama Mongolo you have do Tamjage An Badaina Tamjaning Baze Manipur dine aisu ozani ko akhoi oza mayam ji loina pharak tarak pra khangde kagi noida khunai ji da lariba miyam ji na afabam ti yauksalak tabje mai oza da loi tainer tu man bo nei di mantri bangi patte officer bangi patte lomi bangi patte sinmi bangi patte afabam ti yaude CSO ju patte akhoi jom da patte patta ba ngata si kaino de masi oza da tainer tu maleba kaino de oza ji ai college ge oza wai ramaga university da mo oza wai re ne ko ada ai han bo oza wai bese sidaina oza ji kana no khangde who are the teachers tolop ti dum char ada gi khari loida oza ji yam be ba to pithibhi da France to ne when you go to France you know only the teachers can occupy their seat in the apex court of France. France ki apex court to gi doctor ne chokri de phambai ha base oza khata ne prime minister ga yab jante. Then America the USA the VIPs means teachers. American president is not the VIPs in America, USA. Oza khata. Adagi German the ne ozana phango facilities at top. Anangi chief marshal adu the yargi adi ground gi adagi isingi navy gi oi hin adagi South Korea the piba facilities je wazamda India gi union minister amna phoi adi China Japan the ne not a single teachers can be arrested by the government without getting police without getting permission from the government. Japanese wazamta Japan gi police na phaya roi government they have loaded. China da as on top pane bazaar the P facilities में हमसे अंग पे क्या खुन बसे करेगी नो खल्ले ब वजादी हुए ब इसी वजा करना नो खंग द ऐसी वजा सुन वरी में हमसे वजा या वो वजा करना नो खंग हम दों मंदे थाउ पुदी हम तो बको तो लो सुन चाव सही मरी मंगा सुर बोई खंग दी असीम बुगी हंग मुझे को नेशनल अवार्ड दी का तुझे हंगे बा मुझे ताले हम ना नती नतब पेन है पेन जब हाई तार अदा स्विट्जरलैंड यान हन 1997 चट बजे 96 आई सिटी यूनिवर्सिटी दा लेबको अदा मोई की रिसेप्शनिस्ट नुपी सिना मोई ख्वाइदे होंगे लेबम चाफम जे आई जे फजना रिसेप्शन की मोई फोंग पीदना पैसा का थीदना खोदन तौ लोइरे ने अदा माना oh my god sorry excuse me sir what are you in hangi ko अदे नहीं वजाने है बा oh my god फोंग दो शिकायरे अनु वो मचूम ने तरो मेले पैसा जो तारे VIP treatment जो तवे अदुगा रिसिप्ट से पीरे बे गोंदको अइना फमुंग ने चांग कांददा अइ का चांग का रिसिप्ट से फायेंग बा अस अइ ओ गोंग कपर अदु नुमिदु द खंगे वजा कना नोस माने इरमसे डॉक्टर धनबी लाइश्रम ब्रैकेट मनुंग दा human engineer mi sabe engineer waza mi sabe engineer wile me thong saba ti su yai sorok saba engineer du pothol me amle su yai adi building saba su crack ka chala ka paithrap to kem kai di adu engineer me am du maru de ko kai ni maru ba engineer je mi sabe ju wile me akhoi ki school अखोई की यूनिवर्सिटी अखोई कॉलेज लरी में आमसे फैक्ट्री ने कदों ना बा मी जे अखोई ना फजन मॉल तोर तोरगा डॉक्टर वैना इंजीनियर वैना अदगी आर्मी वैना को लौमी सिमी उकिल वैना ऑफिसर वैना थमक मोन ग्रबा नुंसी बाइदुना योमगा सेम्बा ख्वाइदगी पुक्सेल चावबा मीगी मखुद मोन मोन लाउदुना थम्बा मीदु कनानो आकादा ओजाने है सी यूनाइटेड नेशन की ने अखोई की यूनेस्को की what makes a good teacher and like so jom lim ni ho da hai so da dai ta ja ha manipur da na oza me am se kai do ri no gyan ta de khoi manipur oza me am se loina bakti na te tolop char ga chat tabam kaya ma tolop chong song char ga class lo do me ama adegi pre primary ga smai tak pi bo za jing se Hitler de hen musu yauri angang ji pai ba de masa sakan da ta pai ba ko ꯑꯩ ꯆꯣꯔꯣꯠ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗꯨꯗꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯦꯡꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯒ ꯄꯨꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯛꯀ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯟꯕꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯏꯍꯜꯂꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯗꯅꯦ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯥꯞ ꯄꯥꯏꯔ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯠꯍꯟꯁꯦꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯒꯨꯟ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯈꯪꯅꯦꯕ ꯊꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯔ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯎꯕꯒ ꯁꯤꯛꯇꯒ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯒ ꯀꯥꯞꯍꯟꯗꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯄꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯏꯇꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯤꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯐꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯀꯣ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯗ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯌꯥꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯁꯥꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯐꯥꯎ ꯁꯥꯖꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯇꯤꯟꯒ ꯆꯥꯗꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯁꯪꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯀꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯀꯥꯡꯈꯨꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯇꯣꯞꯄꯔꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯁ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯀꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯟꯒꯥꯔꯤ ꯇꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯃꯥꯔꯨꯇꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥꯒ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯨꯔꯒ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯆꯣꯛꯀ ꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯉꯥꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯅꯦ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯕꯨ ꯕꯤꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯁ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯛꯆꯔ ꯄꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯅꯅꯕ ꯈꯟꯖꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯦꯊꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯇꯩꯒ ꯊꯛꯑꯦ ꯆꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯖꯥꯟꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ इवन काउंसलिंग तब होगेरा मोटिवेशनल स्पीच पीब होगेरा आगे लाइक मैम यावजिंग सुचान चानब जानते अद ngang लेद अंगाव फै वारीनेब अन आइदी ओजा मोइनिंग बा मीनो ओजा होगेदब अखोइदी ओजा ngakतने आई नुपीसु ओजाने इसा नुपासु ओजाने इसा नुपीसु ओजाने आइसु ओजाने अखोइदी ह्यूमन इंजीनियर मरी ने लेजि ओजादी वेनिंग न होइबियो अदा सी कन्वोकेशन दा सी कन सर्टिफिकेट लौबी दोरिबा अखोइगी ओजा मैमने ओजासी याम ओइनिंग न होइबियो ओजा ओइनिंग न होरदि फरोदबा लेक्तिको अदे अमना अखोइ ओजासिंग याम सोइबा मा आइसुम उजबनी वारोबिनुको अंगांग लोइनबिबो ओजासिंग दिने सातेन किबियो लिपस्टिक का जिंग चक संगांग टेक्शन दनको दि फिरोन गजे पिसो मथा का एक्शन बिउ कैसु कायदे हलम दाइदे मुथत पिउ सिमी अतै लमदे तौरिनि हाइजरिसे फिरोन गजे नान सेलग याम एट्रैक्टिव फिरोन सेलग अंगांग सिंसे राइम ग थीबस अंगांग हाराउदे येनेबा चाक सुम थोंगदै नमबोय नंदबोय सारिदु सेसल लग को माय गजे इतै इतै देबिदा सेमाइरे कार हाइगलगा अंगांग द तबदि राइम बुदि थीनेबो अंगांग द हकाम चमचन राइम थीबा सी तौबिरनो आई नेदरलैंड खर कुई लेरे ए वासेने यूनिवर्सिटी को अदो मोय हेक आई नाके दु प्राइमरी स्कूल हम लई आई हेक येंगेबो मोय नुपी उजा नुपी जिंगजे सुम लाखिबा अदुगा सिनेमा नममदगे दुमायना ने ड्रेसिंग रूम चंगा तप तप तांgai की थोलसन असि काना बजाम लैबने युमदजुने ममा न याम फसन कीने लेरगा मसा दे इबुंगो लाइक पासी लाओ गा हाइबा होय ममा गा हाइबने अदन सम मेन मान ता दे तौरगा तौबजे अंगांग दसु मेन नम ता जानते अन याम केबिबा अदुगा ख्वाइदगी ममन याम सिनने थमोइदगी लोय ngangbीबा थमोइदगी पाइबीबा थमोइदगी नानबीबा थमोइदगी लाइक ताकपा थमोइदगी ngangbैसे खतंगदि लुबनी अदो थवायाव मिदी दुम थोलकनी थमोइदगी को थवायाव दब थमोइदगी सुक्थोक थोय ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯎꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯄꯔꯥꯁꯨ ꯇꯨ ꯐꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯅꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯅꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯈꯅꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯖꯥꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯤꯈꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯝꯗꯨ ꯊꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯂꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯏ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯆꯥꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯀꯣꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕꯩ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯊꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯝꯇꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯊꯤꯕꯗ early to bed early to rise makes healthy wealthy well kind of mama paka chokminada masadu yam tawdra anga amta ju nganna hogadande anga amta ju nganna tumande asing bai muti bad matha chajan adagi class 6 ki angang gi parikha parade yauriye nangna brushing to matam de ising do hena tahan ganu ising mangan ganu gaina adai nangna ka sangma kanda थोलप कांदा मई मुथलमु एनर्जी जे दुनिया दानी नेचुरल रिसोर्स की क्लास 7 नग तमी बबा अंगा हम तो तौर लाइक ते याuri सी आ एमी रोइबो तमा बदुना लाइक ते याuri अम त तौद्रगदी लाइक तमी ब्रा हाबो क्वेश्चन लेट्रो अना आइडिया मना इनाक्ति इन खुनबे यारि नेबा आइडिया मना मेगी पुंसी तपताई सेम यारि ने बदिउ नो सिलेबस सिदा खोइना आई सिलेबस कमिटी मेंबर्स ने दो happy idea मैम जिंग सिबाबुदा not a single ideas cannot be put into practice at all kanam dana thabo in tawdri a tamila is a cry tamino gyana mang japan da class 10 yoro ga tu imyam se 10 bok da khangi be magi ideas मैम do my life ta loin tawbunga maroi na to urgen tu ini akoi di like tabu yor dam da tawdre ipai ma minu balaini moge seba tawna punsi ma to lomni सिंफा फाय अंगांग दो परीक्षा दे ई मार्क फंगी ममाना पाकोन सिबु सुया दे सिबेरा काद्रो अदे याम नुंगाई बम गो ओजासी चम सेक्शन बिउ को पोजिशन ले अंगांग मैम जिंगी रिसेप्शन प्रोग्राम अमदा गोल्ड मेडल फंगे दा तौरे अदु तौरे न हायमनिना ममा पान नि मुखाई दन मसाई मतुंग दलाए अंगांग जि मो मुतन लाए को इगो दुम लायहन गिरे अंगांग दो अदा अइना येंगम नुंगाई तदना सुमाइना वांगांग बगी program ma yawbugi engonda pibani na ai nangna sajing se like pa bhaitri like tamdri have the moji misi khane sai sa khang ro je mona like hait pa bhaitri ga haije ai ju like sam ni do like sam ji lindu kon ha lo haim ne ba challenge ji tora di ko khara bera kai ba ai lupa lising ani putho africa dagi classic hotel deni ai hai bane noi ai wang amange सिगी पाखुम जी पीबंग अमदी लुपा लिसिंग नि लौजोबन 12 सुंगाई रे 10 सुंगाई रे ओजासिंग जो सेक्शन बिउ को से नोइना नुंगती की इंग्लिश तमिम से नुंगती की पारी बे इंग्लिश से मसीगी अइब कनानो कोऑथर कनानो पब्लिशर कनानो एडिशन क्या सुबनो करम सहिद फोंगी पेज क्या पाली अमत हाइबंगम बंगांग दो lupa lising ni pige haiba angang am ta haingam de oza ju haingam de yawri ni ne oza ju section hai jeng sai kai noi da azu de aina eme yo bota like lising o pa bu hayeng kai lai pai hai duri kai no ne ibu pare kai no gi do kai no da phong bu do kai no sahi gi do kai no page pan bu do hai di ya ponte de na ko that means लारिक अमा पाबदा तोबम तोप अहान बगी सर्वे ऑफ द बुक्स हाइजे अंगांग खंगद्रीबा अतै दि तोगा माय पृथ्वी की ओइना मालेम की ओइना SQRRR इना फॉर्मूला am लेने यूनिवर्सली यानरबो को सि अंगांग अम त खंगन दे ओजाना खंगन ददि कनाना खंगन गनी को अदुना याम फजना खंगन बचंगी अदुगा मागी मतम जु लेतबनिना अइना अखोइगी ओजा मयाम द तम हाइजनिंग बसे आई सी angang si sumnadagi ngasai akhoi mem tampasna ju takpi gre ko sumnadagi angang singdu da rain pi ba khagnati मोइदा मोटिवेशन तौरकदोइनी अदगिदी ngallingedagi adum isam samna guidelines samsu piba haudoini adagi moida ano wakhal khalan ba hondoini yamna luba mission amaneba aduna si loina baksi tawgadaba aise ai isa se masi aidi punsigi oiba yam maru oiba khoigi punsigi saruk mari khakse yam understand to honingi ko aina tawragadi satra ju tawrakani ओजा अतई जुने हाजरीसे अदुगा आइना सात्रजिंदा तहनबंग अमगदी यामेनजु फयें खलिको मरमदी लाइफ सिदा ख्वाइदि मरु वेसि होजि लाइफ स्किल इन ट्रेनिंग ग तोरिज कॉलेज दगा युम दगी आंगलिंगे दगी ओजा सिना पिरकद पोतु लेरेक्तदना न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी दा लाइफ स्किल गी ग तोरिजे तोरिदब पोत अमनी आदगी सुम मसाना यावजरग लाकदबनेबको अदुना पर्सनल लाइफ ता खोइ सागी वेबा communication skill, listening skill, adagi self thinking, critical thinking ko, adagi maruina solve problem solver, adagi ya maruina khoigi empathy gumbasi isada leina basi am honna biba ko. Se phajana ga explain taraga wari sabayam nungai ba area ni adoi tension jage aduga ani subada family life se sidi khara importance am lei ai family sida aina nungaina leibaduna लाइक तापसु नुंगाइनी लाकपसु नोफे नोफे तोर लाकनी हनगिबसु नोफे नोफे तोर हन्नी युमदजु ngन्न हन्निंगनी नत्रा इमुंग जिनो बेरा लेरदी अंगांग जि उबु खुदिंग लोइ फुनिंगम पोकसाने मयाम नैदना गायरको युमदगी हेक थोंगान दे गाय थोदोरपदि सुगला थोदोरपसे अस डेंजर निको से माना हेक चंगु जगा जि चिगा दौनी ओ बेंक त लेरमे मी लाक यारोय मा चिक तगी को ऑफिस तो वेरे ऑफिसर को वदी सबना साजानी सबोर्डिनेट स्टाफ मैम जो वाखजानी अदि वजा खर क्लास वांगबगी वरजु अंगांग ते थिंगांग होरनी इमुंग जे अमतंग फाजना याम फजना so long as aina imungi punchiro je nungai gi haradi we have to have a enough knowledge of the problem solver ka problem choklai leitana bhana ai je problem creator we be mo the problem solver we ba ana imung du lei mi man the problem solver loi oirdina adugi imung du ne ba sargane ba that is the heaven adu dagi ne apha mi loi tholaka doisu yung ga nate imung do thamoi myam gi mari do si uja sing understand to bi changi ko adai professional life sidani akoi manipur da india da pra sois ai gi punsi da soidna thaba ama tawrne ba siba kan da hayeng ai ji ai gi thabak tu na mathak thanga sidoini oza danavi laisam leigidre oza yaris doctor tomba leigidre osi mania leigidre engineer sanai ma leigidre nurse roma leigidre adum haibni ado aigi profession du loina aigi identity wena lei roi doine bas asi wokta ado aina toriba thabak sida kana ba khara pi bse is very important go khunai da su adagi di miam da pi di khunai da pi um dun the da na go oza we da na ina university da oza mana lak ahum muk sai to lok ko ado aigi class ani khak to bu gi natte ba nganta lao thong hang layu angang sin wari saning ba jing du saw adai class loire dana adum layu angang sin library da lai du pung 13 tar stum layu moina wari batai saning ba myam du khumu adu go chat kho lai yam layu reference book yam pau adu gini tol ram pi je have ne tham the class tara khak tita lorga lakwe lak to boi torga du tolop du saw have na te service aine piri bi service henjin pi bu du ne ba khunai de lehu du se aina lupa lising akai tolop sabada private ki leriba mayam sing budi mayam na tawiri sin hele tolop te di go sigi contribution ji mai kanari je sarkar de kanab leitreba haidi ai je tolop lising akai chare ado ai pung tara da ka gada do mapam na khai da karo manga da han gada do taruk ta lo he na surumi ba thabak se khunai ji kanaba oidui ne ba because I am paid for the service of the people akoi tara da ka gada trama thoi ma khai salani manga da lakada da ohum khai halani mana sari bu tor lisinga khai du tangkhai yok de ma phangis si loi na mag smai hura ma me amna thabak tor ga di lepak tu kumai sa khotoino aduna akoi social life ti da kunai da koi na piba contribution karib leiti usi karib leiti hura badani loktok badani ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯦꯛꯀꯠꯂꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯨ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯉꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯕꯩꯅ ꯐꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯅꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯧꯅꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯛꯂꯥ ꯇꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯇ ꯊꯤꯡꯀꯠꯂꯝꯕꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯒꯨꯂꯥꯞꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯤꯡꯆꯥꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯅ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯕꯤꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯤ ꯑꯟꯗꯔꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯒꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯆꯨꯈꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯕꯗ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯆꯨꯈꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯪꯉꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯅꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯖ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯁꯩꯔꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯉꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯨ ꯊꯥꯡꯃꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯁꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯀ ꯅꯪꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯅꯪꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯄꯤꯒꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯁꯟꯕꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯛꯇ ꯆꯨꯅꯦ ꯆꯨꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯛꯊꯦꯛꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯊꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯨꯡꯕꯥꯛ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯛꯊꯦꯛꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯕꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯉꯥꯜ ꯄꯤꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯀꯦꯟꯗꯜꯁꯤꯅ ꯈꯣꯏꯔꯨ ꯊꯥꯎꯃꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯉꯥꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯜꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯊꯣꯡꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ we are nothing in comparison with others if you sacrifice as a from core of the heart ko nangi profession sida loi sacrifice torabako aduradine manipurda ngangadaba candle se yame isam samna crore yami ko aduna akhoi se adu mayam du loi ngal leradi Manipur will be the golden peacock in the world chini sakotpa miyam na khali se ada ina si am haizai zikra ginoida oza se we are the teachers ko oza khoidi sigum masida angang du semakadori nena matang primary degi pre primary degi adegi second adegi high school degi secondary degi higher class degi loi semakadori na khoina khunai sida leiba yaba mido akhoi gi khuchina mol toroktradi kanan tobini fajana mol toragadi mantri warju phagini ukil warju phani police warju phani lomi sinmi warju phani ko any office thabak to warju phani ba adu loina bakse khunai jigi afabado ujada leidena ko aduna parents so many and parents and teachers are best socializing agencies high in the socializing process aduna idi yam nungai ngasi je ko angang loina bada jana loina bi ko sai ojana habi gi yam chumme ba khoigi za promotion ni haido ai isu yam lu taweba ai su mari lei ai yam lu tawe no mo da sai de mama na ga sai yam sawe angang di nung sei na tordi warak loi yam ne fu ba law kem kan bondi nang na nung sei na tor ai gi isanu fa se isanu pi nu pam lai je ai na nung sei na sum loina ba se nong pha do ai na chinta tor ga khitang lei ba de moini sang ai ti hang ne ba wa khoi ke do gurge khoi kari soi gurge nang yam nungai tenu ke do gurge khoi soi kari soi gurge chum thok hayo ba ga na gandhi ne tori do duni dena mapana gandhi na diam huran budu phrak ta du mapana nong to phudi na chinta to lai kan da o khong de ma khong de kolaga gandhi na punsi da ai aran ma thomu to roi non violence si mana understand to gri adagi ne one of the most famous tools in the movement society the movement da to gri ko aduna oja sing se yam phabiyo ai yam nungai bam haijage ko aina Switzerland da Geneva lake sida iga khu professor jiga Sylvain jiga iga phamina ba moi lake mathak sida nganu kanga achoba ngo phajabale che ni chili yam ing nungai ba mi lo yingi besum da mai ngon da hangi ba mayam ni yingi sa se seli jine phajra yang chendra ayu seli ha ko ai di khan ma kholude ma hai ba se seli jing je mayam na sum yeng bo ni mathak ta makha da du chen na ba ising manung da mano holi ba khong je sidi kanam yengde sine yam yang chen ji de khar kan hot na se khar kan hot che ko hot ba su chen che loi aduna mai pak pa is ke bung na te success is the kariba khoi gi shadow haidana ai ngon da gi lap na leita bani adum nak leibani tabudabu if there is no light there is no shadow ko mangan du leita di mami di tholoi and we have to be very much day by day khoi some going onwards ko in order to get light dangang sing je mangan da loi putho thambirang madam moi mami du thokchena ba success hoina ba ko si loina ba se kanam ta gi khutta leite that is lies in the hands of Jesus ko an oza se khoi de gi tang ba lepak tu gil nan namane madu myam du oi biu haibasi ngasi convocation numisi da pijari and oza punna mangol oi biu adu institutions ju yam hena pharakani khali pharak pusu hoisinu yamna ju mathau ta ba mani adun loin mo yai faminer si haibasi thamjaraga punang pu khramjai
Thagachari kai khumna juriba khoi khwaina mayamna warol ta dugi adum ngaina duna leiba kai khumna juriba sir Danabi Life from Social Scientist gi yamna kanarba wafam kya tabi kre tasingna muksni oza havasi khogi mi semba engineer ni yamna fazarba wafam kya thambiram liba oza sigi tamak mayam dagi hubo khubam tangani jari Thagachari Mathangda ngasigi thoramasigi nengti thoiraba from Bagasida Lengsin Birivi, Ikai Kumnajaribi Grace Zazo, Senior Consultant, Relief and Disaster Management, Government of Manipur Bu, ngasigi thoramasiga Marilena Nawarul Karadang Thambira Nabgitamak Nolukna Kokshinjari.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this very special occasion. I would like to request all the people, can we give you an applause? Like, can we request you to stand? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Yeah, I just wanted to know who you are. Yeah. It's always a privilege to share the stage with Ojada Nabir, and in fact, like, I think I'm the one who is learning most from his speech today. And also, like, all my other colleagues here, I believe we are also waiting for another colleague to join us here. It's a privilege to be sharing this podium with each one of them. I will definitely try to speak in Manipuri, but then it's Lone Krak Hoibanina, like, please don't mind that I'm sure this thing I'll be using English and Manipuri together. I work in relief and disaster management now, but haurak pakanda my interest patient di school education way banamaram way begidamakta. I was very excited to accept this invitation, and my closest association with pre-primary would be just before the COVID. I led the panel to recruit teachers for pre-primary for 44 schools. While I was doing that whole exercise of interviewing like almost 2,000 candidates to recruit teachers for 44 schools, one thing which I came to know was that there are so many educated people who are unemployable. And that is something which I really want to change. I was going through your prospectus, and I'm very glad that at least know your prospectus, the like, you know, the kind of things that you are aiming at, the kind of things that your approach, I'm very satisfied, because I know that once you graduate from here, you'll definitely be very employable, since you have been trained in that from that perspective and that approach. But my experience, on the other hand, when I was just before the COVID, when I was recruiting, it was extremely difficult to like recruit teachers, because so many of them were so qualified, PhD, it was like unemployable for pre-primary. Now, so the reason now, so my whole conversation today would be, how do we be, like, even among the teachers, Oja Danabir, I think he has kind of captured a lot of things which I wanted to say, so I will not repeat his points, but one of the things that he says was that a teacher of every stage is different. College ki oja oiba, university ki oja oiba, high school ki oja oiba, pre-primary ki oja oiba se yam tongale. So the skill sets, or like the approach of a pre-primary, the focus conversation, this is such a valuable time for each one of us, to have this interaction. So I want to like to concentrate on that. One thing is, just like our madam has shared, like, and the sir has shared, angang shingche, they are coming straight from the arms of their parents to the school. So, and when you look at so when a teacher embraces these children in pre-primary, we should remember that they are coming out from their homes directly to your arms. So what do we need to do? The attitude of the teachers at this stage should be that you should see every child kapra lakpagi phuningba, or like napchora lakpagi tukuchaba, or like shatina lakpagi shower lakpagi kamain dil to shera habagi kokngauba. No, not like that. We should embrace each and every child as a star. Ashi karamba star hoigera, athletic star hoigera, sports ki ko, natraga music ki star hoigera, natraga mathematics ki star hoigera, natraga engineering star hoigera, oja hoibi aigumda oja hoirakpa angang mo hoigera. So each child is a star which has been placed in your hands to facilitate their growth. Moishi bukrabain star shem hangera habigi ahanbagi responsibility the pre-primary teacher ge khutta pishilibne ko. So I think it's important for us to remember that each child is a child now, but one day they will be a star. So how do I contribute towards that? Habido ojamagi responsibility to pre-primary the kramaina admaina ngai noigi karadish prospectus yawgumda child-centric approach, child-centered approach, child-centric approach habido adu digi hawbadarabadi. I think everything comes from there. So that would also mean that you do it with kindness, you do it with calmness, because the first thing that you need to establish with the child is that you can be comfortable with me as much as you are comfortable with your parents. So comfort. Then if the child is comfortable, then they can trust you. And if they trust you, then they will be willing to learn from you. If you just ask them, this child, to use a stick and ask them to sit and say, learn this, they are mentally not prepared to learn. But if you first establish the comfort of the ambience, comfort of your relationship with the child, and then you build that rapport of trust, then the next thing would be very easy. The next step will automatically happen, that the child wants to be closer to you. They want to learn from you. You are the idol. You are their first idol. So that understanding, that has to be, I think, the primary condition of each teacher as you go to any school to start teaching. I would like you to go with this attitude. And then the other thing is that throughout our career as a teacher, you should remember that we are competing with AIs these days, artificial intelligence. So how can I compete with AI, or how do I complement AI should be this thing? So 2 decades back, 3 decades back, 2025 the oja oibaga yam tongan greba hojikte. So how AI we don't have to be allergic to AI. We can use AI. In fact, we can keep learning through AI to improve our knowledge and expand and learn more. And then we can also compete with AI in certain things, because AI does not know how to empathize. They don't know how to spread kindness. They don't know how to teach social skills to children. So these are the things which we can practically demonstrate to the kids, like ashigumagi aspect shida. That's where you become much better than the AIs. So there's nothing to fear. Teaching is something which teachers and teaching profession is something which will always thrive even in the age of AI, because those qualities are something which cannot be replaced by AI. Now, we should also remember that the children spend at least like in 24 hours, pung taruk kuma type school da approximately pung taruk kuma type they spend about 6 hours in the school, so which means a quarter of their childhood they spend in the school. So it's such an important aspect. It impacts them, like I said, like in the home environment, even if they spend like 3/4 of the time at home, it still means that that's divided between sleep, that's divided between chores, and normal routine of eating and bathing and getting ready for school, and interaction with the parents is very limited. But the time that they spend like at the school is 1/4 of their childhood. So this duration is extremely significant because we know that they mirror whoever that they live with. If the parents, they mirror even the way the parents walk. If the father walks like this, the son walks like this. If the mother speaks in a soft voice, the child also speaks in a soft voice. So they mirror whoever adult are there in their vicinity. So it's so now the responsibility of the teachers comes in there. Are we going to mirror the goodness to them, or are we going to mirror our frustration and our incapabilities to them? And this is ashigi pachida. I really want to stress this point because akoina angang sibu moibu akoina haiba mayam do akoina tawdradi nang yam nan na school lao hairaga aidi mot pa aduga kara nang di adu chang no adu thakno adu tawnu hairaga aidi kwa umraga teaching tawba, you know, that aidi chup tharaga nam thiraga class ta lakpa. All of that, if I'm thinking aduga angang dub di nalo hairdi moinishu khoibu ushitleroi ba. So we are supposed to mirror whatever that we are saying. So the responsibility of the teacher is very immense, like because you are the mirror of. They are the mirror that they want to copy. So you should be calm, you should be pleasant. It'll be extremely boring, but if you do it with enthusiasm, with gladness, like, you know, with a glow in your face, with happiness, and if you become their friend, like with all the energy, with all the patience, then they'll be happy to partake. You know, they'll be very happy to follow you and be a part of you, because we have to level down to their level and become their friend so that they can pick up whatever that we are trying to tell them. Otherwise, that hierarchy will disconnect the relationship of the children with the teacher. The other thing which we have to remember is that there are several, mama passing the shoe pressure young people think there means ichado krigi 80 pangbra out of 100, ichado krigi 95 pangdabra, 99 pangdabra, you know, that kind of a thing. Like either you are not teaching well, or like something is wrong with there's a gap high bigi pressure yamle ojagi da ko. But I think it's also important for us to understand, because we are not living in 2000, we are living in 2025. So trendo kadai labor have do, I think it's extremely important, because nang na angang chem ribu angang do noi lekai da ma haura raga mana chaura raga, when he becomes somebody aduga mana we have to groom a child so that a child's perspective, magi worldview do chatnabayaba mapandom thopakandashu, other cities tatpakandashu, or other countries tatpakandashu chatnabayaba adugumba angangdu shemgi dobneba. So akoina dum shwise the yar akoi school the pass out yar akoi school the 95 pangar yar high be rom the nataba, but angangdu mana imbibe tograba magi value system do kadai man kona chawra bakandashu chatnaba yaba value system do tambigi do buneba. So because akoina hojik value system do hojik pre-primary tambi haudradi my value system do kona change to yaraba angang na kapra lakpa kansda he nupam chana kri kapra nupadi kaptap ne to ka haibido wahido. I know you mean well ojana di kapdo tok ningai themba yi wahi ne adugi londa du ibok na shijina ba wahi ne iman ba shijina roi da ba wahi ne ko I generation did we should remember, because if a child is crying, then you have to understand why is the child crying, how can I comfort them. Nang nupi ne nang nupa ne haibigi romda adumai gender sensitive for hen kibido adu kona di moi gi damakta chatna ba yadaba attitude oi kheba da adugi akhoi angang ma shem kan sida we should remember that angang je akhoi le kai de le hogi do ba angang nate, so we should worldview do like gender sensitive oiba mi myambo respect, mutual respect, achawa shangi macha du atei bu mana phurashu madi IS ki machane madi mapa SP ki machane hena adum khang han budo, not like that. We have to teach them like equality, mutual respect. Nangi do mai tonu nangi do shine lair bangang ama leirashu lair bangang du di ushit ba yade nokna ba yade masak thi bangang yaurashu masak thi bu bu nokna ba yade, move kuchu move yaurashu kuchu move se shone shem rakpane move du nokna ba yade, how much ama yaurashu how much adu nokna ba. So all of these things has to be taught from pre-primary. Otherwise akoi gi mutual respect haibdo team the kamai thabak tawni mi amabu kamai how can they work as classmates, as a team, as haibdo with mutual respect haibdo adu du yaw hawdri ade. One of the most important things is boundary she akoi na pre-primary di tambi tai. When I say boundary, what I mean is that angang shibu nangbu mayam na nungsiraga chuppa shikpa khotpa loimak tawdo adu kadai phau tawi ai. What are the things that somebody cannot touch you? Kang the bami man nang mamang di isman pambaya bra, nang comfortable way dribli nang pambaya bra, nang bu what are the parts where you cannot touch? Like hoina duguma type mi man nang bu shita touch tawde ojab hayo ko yumdu erde mama hayo ko, so boundary do shidi hena nang bu touch tawya de ko shidi hena nang bu tawya mi nang bu phubu ya bra no phubu ya de nang mi nang pochai do mullaga cha bi ya bra tiffin do no ya de nangi do nangi ne mi gi ne, that boundary nangi potu nang na mi mo bu pen do pinning de PBI pencil do pinning de PBI mi ne mun ba ya de, so that kind of a small boundaries will help them to understand what is mine and this is my right, and also how to respect other people's right and boundary. So this is something which every teacher should practically, do it in the class. So akwai gi school singda, my only concern about the schools in Manipur is most of the schools I would say is that teacher ga student gi ratio do yam wange ba. For example, tiny tot hojik tikhang de at some point it was 1:70 gumo ba classroom ma mi 70 gumo le ba ko kara poultry farm gumna. Please don't mind me saying this. Poultry farm gumna. So it's like ishing yam thak bathroom yam chapado ojana chahiye ishing chu yam thak thaba, then your kidney gets spoiled, no? Even at a very young age. So like that. So but it's so important. Hojik koi digis public school shingje yeng bakan da mogi student teacher ratio she they try to put it at 15, can you imagine 15 or maximum 20 bu hen school because we like that's where school fees yam school the teacher student ratio they make it within 15 to 20 so the reason why this is so relevant is because angang jing school di halap kanda mama pa khoi ngai raga icha nang shi nungai bra, like how was your day ko mana shower la ra shu kapning la ra shu my mood ama le ra normal na la ra shu. That's how we embrace the child when they come back home. Then we understand, okay, what has happened. So because they come back hiding ra lak the yum da ngasai ai on the me man phueng shi kapning e du to hiding ra lak the no ai mark or mana ngashi mana first time hiding ra lak the yum de kanam le ram radi, they are disappointed, okay, the children. So it's so important for the parents also to the first thing we should ask when a child comes home is pion chino shilo have na taba ichanu pichanu pa, like my sweetheart, how was your day have the ko ngishi kamain to we have do. That's so important. Likewise for the teacher, for the pre-primary teacher especially, because you are dealing with very tender children, it's so important for you to look at every child in the eye and look at what is their mood today, okay. Noi sing ju video viral video kra ora mani sida symbol thong the table kra di pamba kra na di kara high five to ba kra na di handshake to ba to ga changrak pushing do so preference di loin mak pamhaning ba yaw de khra loin mak di dance khra di dance tongning edana ko so preference di am tongale but that helps the teacher to connect with the child adu the me 80 where madi adu tawringa punga machang thani ne ko are you getting my point? But the teacher-student ratio is when it's better, then you are able to connect with each child better. Now, this is important because that way the teacher is able to understand, shin pas di kra shawan bane, shin pas di kra wangangan dam ne, ma di khang derashu hangan dam ne, so I'll have to, he's a slow learner, she's a slow learner, ko. So she'll need some support. Madi yam yek pe am hebne adubu ma se maths te kitang shon bane. So the teacher is able to know each and every one well if the student-teacher ratio is small, and that's why you also are able to understand their moods and know what to anticipate. Ma se dum ashman hardi ma de laura krani. Then how can I deal with their temperaments? How can I what can I anticipate from them? Haiba miyam se khangba ngam se when the ratio is good. But if the ratio is in the classroom, I would not even remember the names. So that way you cannot blame a teacher. So that's so important because I always say that the teacher-student ratio is something which is so important because akoina yem kanda mama pa sing na yam ba yeng ba se icha nu pa se akoina office ta ga kara imanabi singa thingdam kanda so what they bring is icha do shu phange score. My question is, how happy is your child? Where is the happiness ki degree du gudai lege? Nachado, is your child happy? Happiness ki karase scoreboard che. Asi che at home and in school, I think we are giving it a back seat, and which is very unfortunate because akoine ma cha nungai ribra haibu yeng bidra di mental health issues mayam se. Hojikan di so all the mental health issues mayam ashi stretch mayam nobody cares about whether I'm happy or not. Shigi stage lakradiko I kaprashu I wakan waitershu I warashu tumdrashu chaning drashu karamta the khangbi de hai budu angang da adugumagi wakandu lakradi their mental health become